Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is a haul from Glitter Planet, and this took a while to get. Okay, it's a mystery box from them. It's my second mystery box. I'll leave the link to my first mystery box from them above or in the description. So this took almost 2 weeks to get to me. The last time I believe it was just a few days, like maybe 4 days. I ordered the mystery box, and there's a blue glitter that I saw that I really wanted to get. It was in this huge ass package. You'll see the glitter. Look at that. That's it. But anyways, it's super beautiful. And I got a card from them, and the other paper was the order information, so just threw that away. Okay, to the mystery box. Love their little wrapping paper. First thing is this brush, this nail brush. Personally, I think that could have stayed. We have 2 of these, but I'm gonna pull it later. I have a cuticle oil in the scent gingerbread. I'm not gonna open it, I might give it away. This is a nail foil and a gel polish called Firefly. Beautiful color. This is my second gel polish from them. The first one I got was a purple from their mystery box. Their gel polishes are actually pretty good. I love the brush that it comes with and the bottle. And these are some glitters. So we have this neon iridescent green, this baby pink flowers. All of these are loose glitters. The ones that say glow, they actually glow in the dark. So you activate them with the lamp, I believe, and they'll glow in the dark. Okay, so with the cuticle oil, I have one before I got in the previous mystery box. It's hard to squeeze the liquid out. Like, you really have to squeeze to get it out. I don't like it. And the cover, it's hard to get the cap off, like really hard. So yeah, I definitely won't be using it. So you have the sun and the moon, little studs there. These are some seashells and feathers. I will be using those today. I didn't get much to work with. I really didn't like this month's thing. Like, it's 2 of those crystals in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'll try to work with it. I only use the studs. This is like some lines. I use the studs and 2 of the glitters to make this design. So let's jump right into it. I'm going for like a beachy type thing here, but not with your traditional blues and whites and maybe green. I'm just using black, green, white for like the waves, and then I'm gonna add some seashells. The rest of the set is pretty simple. I really didn't have a clue what I was doing, so I just went along with it. Yeah, the first mystery box was a good mystery box. I believe that was the January box. June mystery box was on sale, so I don't know if they reduced the items that was supposed to come into the box, but I wasn't feeling it at all. So I don't know if I will be ordering more, maybe. Also, shipping is expensive. These are coming from England, I think. It's coming from England, so I guess that's why the shipping is so high. But I don't know if it's worth it to send it to the US. guys, I don't know. But that's all I'm gonna say on that. I really do hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.